Throughout 2024, website owners across the globe began noticing the same pattern in their analytics. After years of steady growth, organic search traffic suddenly plummets, with some sites losing 60% of their visitors in a single month. This wasn't a glitch in the tracking software. It was a change to the physical layout of the search page. The traditional list of 10 blue links, the primary source of traffic for 20 years, is being shoved off the bottom of the screen by a single, massive block of AI-generated text. This is Google's AI Overview. Instead of sending users to your website to find information, the search engine now reads your content, summarizes it, and presents the answer directly on the results page. The user gets the information they need without ever having to click on a link. For a decade, the path to growth was simple: rank high, get clicks. But when the machine provides the answer directly, that path ends in a dead end at the top of the search page. The architecture of the internet is shifting. We are moving away from a web of open pathways and toward a system where information is funneled into this single compression point, an AI engine that sits between the creator and the audience. However, these models cannot function in a vacuum. They don't invent facts, they synthesize them. To provide an answer, the AI must first crawl, read, and extract data from existing web pages. This necessity has created a new discipline called Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. The focus has moved from ranking as a link to becoming the specific source that the AI chooses to summarize. By aligning your content with the specific way these machines parse information, you can intercept the flow of traffic at the source. If the AI uses your data to build its answer, you receive the citation, the authority, and the remaining clicks. To understand GEO, you have to look at how the machine reads. Traditional search algorithms functioned by matching keywords. If you repeated a phrase enough times, the system assumed your page was relevant. Today's AI ignores keyword density to look for semantic meaning and clarity. The first thing it looks for is a signal called EEAT: experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. The system cross-references your content against your digital footprint. A medical advice column written by a verified professional carries more weight than an anonymous blog post, regardless of how well it is optimized. The second factor is the placement of the information. Human readers might enjoy a long narrative buildup, but the AI is looking for efficiency. Pages leading with a direct, concise answer are cited far more than those burying the conclusion under paragraphs of introductory text. The AI scans the underlying architecture for specific markers. As this laser illustrates, the system ignores dense, unstructured text blocks. Instead, it illuminates clear headers, bulleted lists, and schema markup, the back-end code telling the machine exactly what a data piece represents. Content that is not architected for this type of instant machine extraction is effectively invisible to the synthesizer. The system filters out conversational filler and rewards only the data it can process immediately. These extraction rules are not exclusive to Google. They are the standard for the entire ecosystem, including ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Bing. To stay visible, you need to apply these strategies across your entire digital presence. First, you must establish Topical Authority. By creating an interconnected network of deep dive articles, you prove you are a comprehensive expert. The most effective way to trigger citations is publishing proprietary research. Original surveys create unique data points in the network. Language models have already processed billions of pages of generic information. They don't need to cite another summary of how to start a business. They seek out and credit the original source of new statistics and unique findings. You also need to verify your identity, add detailed author bios, link to professional credentials, and provide clear citations. The machine must verify that the person behind the text actually exists. GEO is not a technical trick used to fool an algorithm. It is a method of proving your unique value to a system designed to filter out anything unauthoritative. This shift is creating a massive displacement for large-scale media companies. For years, they dominated search by publishing thousands of generic, keyword-optimized pages. Today, that lack of depth is causing their traffic to evaporate. This has turned the AI overview into a leveler. Because the system prioritizes structure and original data over the age of a domain, A small business with a highly focused, well-structured guide can outcite a multi-billion-dollar corporation. The technical manipulation of the past is losing its effectiveness. Success in this environment is now tied to your ability to provide actual utility. In an internet increasingly filled with generic AI-written text, verifiable trust has become the primary metric. You can continue to optimize for the search engines of the past, or you can begin restructuring your content to become a trusted source for the AI age. One path leads to growth, the other leads to obscurity. Leave a comment below with the GEO strategy you plan to test first. And for more weekly breakdowns on digital growth and strategy, make sure to subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.